Hello city pies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your beauty Dona here. So in today's video, as you already know, that we are going to unbox some Daraz packages, which is a mini haul kind of video. I ordered some makeup and skincare product and I thought I should unbox all packages in front of you guys so that I can share my experiences as well. There are total 10 packages and I will unbox 9 in this video because one is really mysterious because it's a mystery box. Bad joke. Yeah, so it's a mystery box, a makeup mystery box. So I'll make a separate video for unboxing a makeup mystery box as I did before and you guys liked it, so I thought I will make a separate video for that. And for this video I will unbox 9 packages. Some are small and some are a little bit bigger. I ordered some large packages, but those are some appliances, so those are not relevant. So these are the packages which I ordered in makeup and skincare category. Okay, so there are no price mentioned on the packaging, so I can't show you the prices because my all packages are non-COD, so I'm not sure about the prices, but I will mention somewhere, or I will mention the prices in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe. It's just a token of love, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. So the first package in my hand is this. Okay, so yeah, I really don't remember what I ordered, but let's see. It's okay, let's open it. So I've opened the bubble wrap. Now it's a plastic wrapping and it is a sea jade gel eye mask. Okay, so I ordered some eye mask. I was looking for some Korean skincare products, so I found this eye mask and I ordered this. The bad thing is that the box smells pathetic, like it smells like it was somewhere in the old stock or something, so I have to throw the box. And the condition of the outer packaging is, I hope you can see, it's all dusty or something, dusty or rusty, I'm not sure. But when I opened this, it smells really nice. Okay, so it contains, I guess, 60 eye masks. These are how the eye masks look like. These are the under eye masks, so basically these are for hydrating the under eye area. I will use them and let you guys know. If you guys want my review on this product, then please comment down below. I would love to share my review. Okay, so the next package is a very small one, basically a thin one. Yeah, so it's another skincare product. This is a face mask by Images. And this is basically a bubble facial mask. I haven't tried any bubble mask yet, so I ordered just one piece so that I can check if it reacts or not, or how the results are. So it will look like this, like the bubbles will come like this. It is basically a sheet mask. It has amino acid and it has bamboo charcoal, rich in foam bamboo charcoal absorption, oil control and hydra. This is what it claims, but I will definitely check this out and maybe I will make a review on this or a first impression kind of video, because yeah, for the first time I will try any bubble mask. So yeah, this was the second thing. Now we have another small package. So it's yes, it's a Miss Rose professional paint stick. This is how the paint stick looks like. It says a 3D professional paint stick. Miss Rose always come up with the affordable makeup, so I thought why not I should try the paint stick. So this is the shade and it will match my skin, I think. Okay, so I ordered the shade FS45 and I'm glad that they have sent the same shade. I will definitely test this out. Okay, so now I'll open up this package. It's a little heavier one. Okay, so the first product in this package is this. Okay, so this package is by Rivage UK. So the first product which I ordered from them is their Pro palette. How it looks like, it has a primer and 3 matte powder shades, and these are all other products. Let me open the packaging first. Okay, so the first product is this charcoal sheet mask, and in this packet we have only 3 sheet masks. I haven't tried the Rivage sheet mask yet, so I thought we should give it a try. Charcoal is basically a very good ingredient for cleaning and purifying your skin, so that's why I bought these. And the second one is this pinkish white with advanced lightning effect face wash, and it's a 50 ml bottle, basically 50 ml tube. So I need a face wash, so I got this. Now it's their hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. I haven't tried their newly launched serums as well, so I got this and I will definitely test this out, and if you guys want a review on this, then please comment down below. I would love to shoot the review. And the final product is this concealer. Yes, I ordered a concealer in the shade 03. I want to check the consistency and everything of this concealer. Okay, so these were all the Rivage UK products. So now I'll open another big package. Okay, so this is what we have in this package. This is by Nivea. I ordered some stuff from Nivea. Okay, so I have opened these. So firstly we have this Pearl Beauty Antiperspirant, and we have 3 of these. I ordered 3 antiperspirants. I just love the Pearl Beauty antiperspirants. These are better than any perfume. For me, these are the best. So I love using these, and I ordered 3 together. And if you guys wanted to know the difference between antiperspirant and body sprays and perfumes, then you can comment down below. I will definitely explain every detail about these and those. And the fourth thing is also an antiperspirant. This is the Powder Touch Quick Dry, and all these claims that they give 48 hours protection, velvety soft skin feel. So this is another variant of the antiperspirant. Those were Pearl and Beauty, and this is Powder and Touch. Another thing is this Nivea Soft Moisturizer. This is a winter essential. And the last, we have these 2 lip balms. The one is in Pearl Shine and the second is Cherry Shine. Yeah, the one is lighter and the second is darker. Okay, so now I'll unbox another package. It's a small one, and yeah, we have this Fair and Lovely is now Glow and Lovely. Yeah, so I ordered this Glow and Lovely. I haven't used Fair and Lovely ever because I thought it's a fairness cream and it might have some bleaching agents or something, which is not good for skin. But now they have mentioned that it contains no harmful ingredients or bleach. So it's clearly mentioned that this is no more a fairness cream, and the name is now Glow and Lovely. So yeah, I will definitely check this out. Okay, so now another package. So it contains some more sheet masks. I ordered 3 different sheet masks because it's winter and I need a lot of skincare. So this is a gold sheet mask, and this is one of the most popular in Korean masks, and it has some Chinese olive extract. Okay, so now another package. Okay, so we have these correctors and highlighters by Musin. I ordered 3 color correctors and 3 highlighters. So these are in 3 different shades: a golden one, a silver, and a champagne one. And these are 3 color correctors. One is a yellow corrector, which is basically a concealer, and this is green color corrector, and this is a red one. I have seen many people using Musin products, so I thought why I should not try these things. Okay, so this is probably the last package. Okay, so it has this tiny bottle which is nicely packed, and this is a plastic bottle, so it has no chance to break, and that's a great thing. And this is Miss Rose glitter glue, and I really wanted to check this out. And yeah, it has a very cute applicator like the applicators which we have in nail paints, so I think it will be really easy for me to apply this on my eyelids. Yeah, so that's why I wanted to check this out, and the quantity is too much. It comes in a 25 ml quantity, so yeah, I will definitely try this. Okay, so this was all about the unboxing, and if you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if you wanted to see any reviews on all these products, and if you wanted to see reviews on any other product, you can comment down below and tell me so that I can review that product for you. So don't forget to comment that. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.